All right, so I'm going to show you a few things in Sumopaint. That's a web-based painting app that we can use instead of ArtRage Studio if for some reason you're not able to use it at home. So first thing I want to show you is when I have my brush tool selected, if I clicked on there, I'll get this bar across the top that has some options. I can choose the color of my brush, paintbrush, the opacity, which is how see-through it is, the flow, the diameter, which is the size, and then the brush style. If I click on this, you'll see some other options for brushes. And then if you click on this little triangle right here on the brush window, you'll have options for other brushes to select as well. I'm going to click this one that looks kind of like a dandelion almost. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start clicking. And then that lets me create a texture onto this canvas. If I make the diameter bigger, then it makes it all work a little faster for me. So the goal, right, with the texture paintings is just to create interesting textures, which are things that look like if you could touch them, they would feel like something under your fingers. So we don't want to create a picture. We want to create an entire canvas filled with some sort of interesting texture. So I'm going to finish painting this one, and as you can see, I've filled the entire canvas with this brush. So what I'm going to do now is make sure I save this. If I go up to the File menu, I can say Save to my computer, and I'm going to save it as a JPEG, and then I'm going to call this my texture painting. Remember, we're making 10 of these, so you want to number them. I've made a few already, so I'm going to save this one as number 4. Now when I want to start over, I can just do File, New Image, and I don't need to save it, I already saved it. The default size is fine, 640 by 480, and you can start again. I want to show you another really neat feature with your brush tool here. So let me show you. I'm going to grab another brush, and right here you'll notice there's a checkbox that says Symmetry. Try this. So notice that it is creating 6 of these because there's symmetry set to 6, and so it creates this really neat kind of kaleidoscope pattern with a brush. So this is another way to fill your canvas kind of quickly and get some interesting effects here too. And you can change the symmetry number to get different effects like that. You get a more dense result. All right, those are just a few suggestions. Have fun with it, play with it, and I will see you guys later.